Welcome to the Sunfixings installation guide for L profiles used within our East, West and Light Tegra systems. L profiles are introduced when installing panels greater than 1800 mm in length. Their purpose is to reduce panel deflection and provide additional support across the frame. Step 1. Attaching the L profiles. Secure the L profiles to the long side of the panel frame using the supplied M8 bolts and nylock nuts. Tighten using two 13mm spanners. Each L profile is manufactured in accordance with the panel datasheet dimensions to ensure a precise fit. Step 2. Installing the claw. Slide the C section of the claw over both the L profile and the flange of the panel frame. Position the universal claw so that it sits flush against the edge of the short side of the panel. Ensure the claw is fully butted up with the C section correctly seated over both the panel flange and the L profile. Step 3. Final tightening. Tighten the M10 bolt using a torque wrench set to 18 Newton-meters. Repeat this process on both long sides of each panel to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Sunfixings.